in overseas markets. With a view to providing greater flexibility to these entities to hedge the price risk of their gold exposures, resident entities will now be permitted to hedge their gold price risk on recognized exchanges in the IFSC. This measure will benefit importers and exporters of gold, such as jewelers and industries which use gold as an intermediate or raw material. Let me now try and conclude. The last 3 years have been unusually challenging as we have encountered multiple shocks. The buffers we built in the years leading to COVID-19 in terms of accumulating reserves and inflation averaging close to the target came good to deal with these repeated shocks. In this arduous period, our constant endeavor has been to take timely and effective measures. It is gratifying to see that our policies have yielded positive results. And just at the cost of repetition, let me say that the growth in India remains resilient in such a hostile environment, international environment. A 6.8% growth definitely is robust. Inflation compared to other countries is lower, but so far as India is concerned, we have to focus on our inflation, and we are extremely watchful of the evolving inflation dynamics. We constantly in the Reserve Bank, we keep on assessing various incoming data almost on a day-to-day basis, and as I have said, we are committed to bring it down in the, at as I have mentioned, first to below 6% and then take it closer to 4%. We are what we have called, what I have described, we will keep an Arjuna's eye on inflation, and this is something which I had explained in one of my earlier speeches, and we will be ready to act. Our actions will be nimble. The course of our future policy will duly consider new data releases and the evolving outlook of the economy, as well as the effect of our past actions. In meeting the challenges thrust upon us by a hostile global environment, we should not lose sight of the task of improving the long-term potential of our country. Green transition, reconfiguration of supply chains and logistics, production-linked incentive schemes, digital banking and financial services, and innovative technologies offer immense opportunities for the Indian economy. As we enter 2023, India's G20 presidency provides us a historic opportunity to play a bigger role in the international arena. The theme of our presidency, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is, the world is one family, reflects our vision of global cooperation for universal welfare. We must remain optimistic and derive inspiration from the words of Gandhi ji.
तो क्रेडिट पॉलिसी में ऐलान कर दिया गया, जैसा अनुमान था बिल्कुल वैसे ही 35 बेसिस पॉइंट या 0.35% कहें, रिपो रेट बढ़ाया गया और वो 6.25% पे कर दिया गया है। महंगाई का जो टारगेटेड अनुमान FY23 के लिए है उसमें कोई बदलाव नहीं किया गया, लेकिन जीडीपी में